Okay, so it's unclear what we're going to find under the manifold, but we shall see. What you doing, buddy? Hey, what you doing, buddy? What secrets are you going to find, mate? Wow. Well, heaps of RP7 and nut bolt release. Certainly worked. A treat. Okay. That might be pretty good. Might be pretty good indeed. Thermostat's got, I think it was termites in here or something, cockroaches, it's all dirt. The all blocked up. Put that down. And hornets. A hornet's nest. That needs that. Excuse me. Bit more light on the show. So this was the better side, at least on top of the valves, under the rockers, top of the very head. There we've got plenty of wasp nests in there, hornet's nests. That chamber's all blocked up. I sprayed the hell out of all these push rods on the top of the head here. This side here was, as you can see, that bit there. It's left over from I don't know what it was. Could have been hornets, or I think it looked like termites, because it was on the ground, this motor, out in the weather. So those rockers pretty rusty and around. Bit of grass in there, by the looks of that. Grass and twigs. Might have been a rat trying to build in here or something. Might have been a part recently. Someone said it was rebuilt, but when? Because it's pretty clean in there from what I can see. I'm not a mechanic. Not a mechanic at all, but from what I've been watching, the corner there, the oil passages, block up. What's that? Number 5. Number 5. You got 2682. Have to clean that up to have a better look. It's gonna be interesting to see what the camshaft's like. So that's blocked up in there. So yeah, I don't know how the grass would have got in there. A bit more grass down there, you can't really see it. Because the, oh, down through the manifold, that's what it would have been. Yeah, who knows. Could have got washed in there, animal pulled it in. But yeah, I've sprayed the hell out of every seal bolt just to get everything hopefully apart. Yeah, so next I'll be doing the rocker covers, pulling the push rods out and getting the heads off, of course. Very interesting for my first time of doing this. Alright, progress, making progress. Hey Dozer, hey buddy, what do you reckon? Hey, this is my new buddy. Lost my other pal, but he's going good. Anyway, all for now.